I don't know where is. So, what is the dimension? It's a just you have to see like that. A sphere of the self-acquiring the sphere.
What is the sphere?
Sphere is Phere.
Sphere. Okay.
Not a skier. Not a skier. A sphere.
Wait.
A sphere means SP.
Here. Wait. All right. This.
SPH.
Yeah.
ERE.
Yeah. Here. Yeah.
Got the point?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we talk about the philosophy or spiritual, so spiritual is a entangle, indulge, interconnected. Okay, so we can't separate the emotional level of the dimension or physical level of the dimension, astral level of the dimension, or cosmic platform of the dimension. Okay, so simple idea is that there is one book written by the Benazir Bhutto. Is a former prime minister of Pakistan, and she wrote a very beautiful book. She just one complaining later to his father, when that time his father was busy in the Indian politics. Pakistan and India was not apart that time. He said, and they are working with the fighting with the British to get the freedom. So he involved in such kind of political things. So father, she wrote the letter. You are busy and you are enjoying the Indian politics, but she in my what is the my situation is there in my table there is a it's a books. It's a huge books like a mountain, and that mountain which is the is my study subject. I'm not able to cross. It's a complete killing me, and I'm scared to just to see the big book. And the Benjir Bhutto written the letter answer is, see, the syllabus and course subject is so vast. There is no end. But if you find the core of the subject, core of the syllabus, then you can understand betterly your subject as well as it's a more than that. Okay, so spirituality is a completely to understand the core. Okay, if you want to know the circumference is a dimension, space, time from the circumference, is get confused, and we can get only information or some relative idea is there, but it's not our own understanding, not our own vision, not our own clarity. Okay, so simple thing is that we have to connect to the center first, and if you the center, then it's maybe the bigger or maybe the smaller. It's a the dimension circle thousands of the circumference is get clear because we are in the center. And if we are not in the center, then endless is a circumference, and that circumference confuse us. Okay, so the here is the dimension. Just to understand, there is a cosmic platform. Okay, it's a platform is not appropriate word to use here, but just to understand. Okay, it's a cosmic consciousness like a ocean, or maybe cosmic conscious platform. And that cosmic conscious platform, this will be again and again we will repeat when we talk about the spirituality, but we are again I'm talking about that. And then that cosmic consciousness is nothing but the his ever new joy, ever bliss, ever conscious, ever exist. Okay, and that ever exist when he was the bliss, and then he wants to become many. And you should not forget about the Big Bang theory. Okay, the black hole is blast and the creation created. But here the Veda says it's not blasting. It says he become many. The conscious is that all pervading conscious is he become many and remain himself. Okay, the Big Bang theory is not talking about the any type of the remaining. So it's blasting and the center lose and the creation created. No, it's not much later. Yes, you have question?
No, I understand now. Yeah, everybody's talking about a blast that had nothing remaining,
Yes.
but actually it
So
remained.
yes, it's a remain. That's why the force created. Force, even the magnetical force, even the simple force is a masculine and feminine for attraction. This is also one kind of the force. It's a one magnet, one atoms. They are even the atom exchanging the hydrogen exchanging to water. There is a force. There is magnetically it's a pulling each other. North pole,
Yes.
south pole. So if everything it will be splitted, then force will be not there. So centripetal force and centrifugal force come much later.
Yeah.
But in the Veda point of view, it was there a centripetal force and centrifugal force, and he become many and remain himself. And so he become many and he remaining himself. There is a part and whole. Okay, just to understand the part and whole, like the river is a part of the ocean, the fire is the part of the ether. So in the same way, that if you throw a stone on the sky, that will be back because the part of the earth. Okay, so this the part and whole in the between the part of the whole. So part is not separated than the whole. Okay, and what the quality, character, the attribute and divinity at the whole in the same thing will be in the part, maybe in the a smaller way. Okay, so that's why the Jesus says ki I and Father are one.
Yeah.
And there is no difference between me and my Father. Okay, so this is the idea, because he got the center and then he's got the center. And so I have to what is called Okay, let's see, because generally the phone call comes in this mobile, so it will maybe get disturbed. Let me see. So the idea of the centripetal force and centrifugal force uh, is a nothing but the part and whole is a God and Father. Okay, it's a spirit, Father, and Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost is the all kind of the, you see, the nature information, because the between the two, you and your Father, there is a Holy Ghost, like a Mother Nature working.
Yeah.
Okay, Mother Nature working, and that Mother Nature, that's why it's a we confused. So here we remember when we were in the center means I told you before, there is a man is a singular, okay, is a circumference, and center is nowhere, and God is a singular, is a circumference, and center is everywhere.
Yep.
So it's help us, because that this is a Vedic joke, you can say that, to get understand. It's a like not put much pressure to intelligence pressure to understand, just to take in the simple way. So here is the center. I'm the center. I am the circumference, but I don't have the center. Okay, it means if the circumference existing, must be the center, and so our idea, our goal to achieve the center, to find the center. That's why the Bible says that seek and you shall find it. No kind of open unto you. So this is the whole idea of the spirituality, to find the center. Got the point?
Yeah.
So when we find the center, and then uh, the all kind of the circumference may be smaller or bigger, and then if you are in the center, the frequency of the frequency and degree of the electrical electrons and electrical vibratory electrical of the cosmic era, you can understand. Okay, because it's a cosmos, it's a connecting each other with the electrical law.
Yeah.
Okay,
Electron.
and otherwise if the electrical law, it may be the hidden, but it's that electrical law is a uh, law, is a connecting to each other and the binding. That's why and then you can say the whole universe is a one unit cell.
Yeah.
And that one unit cell, so that here to understand the mm, in the cosmic platform, you can see like that the Veda is very clear. Even the Veda not denying anything about the uh, what is called deities, rituals, all thing is there. Okay, but a central idea of the Veda is all four Veda is the central idea, central message of the human mankind. The co- conscious alone exists without second. I'm repeating that. Conscious alone existing without second. There is no two. There is no two. Enlightenment is that you are a oneness with eternity, then you become the center of the whole universe. As you are the center of the whole universe. And whole universe is a dancing, rising and falling, is a just within and expressing without.
Yeah.
Got the point?
Yeah.
So this conscious, but just to try to understand that when the father wants to become many and he become many, and then the two self is a become many and he remain himself. So the actual material of the conscious, we are the conscious being, but is a the source whole is the complete. We are also complete. Okay, that's why the Veda says completely Purnmadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnmudachat, means ki if you add something in the whole complete, it will be complete. If you deduct say from, if you add complete to the complete, it will be complete. Whole into the whole. But if you deduct whole completely, then also remain the complete. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Right.
so here, but just to understand, because of the Mother Nature, Holy Ghost working. That's why in the Bible, the word in the Holy Ghost is very, very special. You know? That Holy Ghost is a working. The Mother Nature is the doer. We are not doer. You know, we can speak and you are listening, but the in our millions and trillions of the atoms in our body, the motor organs which we are not capable to know that, and they are working in own way. Plant growing, a river flowing, this all is the Mother Nature doing that. Okay, that's why the Indians say कि वो divine mother, you are alone existing, you are the doer, not me. Okay, so in between the two, if you see, if you want to know the dimension, you should not forget the sphere, and that sphere is your own frozen boundary of your ignorance of limitation. That's the now the people just giving the understanding by the two self. One is the smaller self, one is the big self. Big self is the light, the cosmic consciousness, and the smaller self is you and me. Okay, if you see in the all the Vedic literature, in the text, in the not Vedic literature, but in the commentary of the text, they explaining in the two way, bigger self and a smaller self, and that a smaller self, that self is you and me, is called jiva, is a living being, but that Brahma, and Brahma is a bigger self. Okay, so when we are in the limited in the our smaller self, then a smaller self is creating the own sphere, own cocoon. Okay, and that own cocoon is a, you can say, is a dimension. So just to see the lizard, I given the example, the lizard may not know what is the height. So flyer perspective and the cockroach perspective is the different perspective of the world. The cockroach and fly is very different.
Okay.
So and so we have to also know the our perception is our the social common perception and individual perception. So
Yeah.
perceiving, is this a perceiving means you know the electrical current pathway or gateway. Okay, and that if you know the correctly pathway, so last time maybe I'm given you if you the light banding, you know, so if you want to reach to the moon to the Jupiter, and between the any a space rock or maybe any planets coming, so you have to turn, you have not to cross, you have to turn.
Yeah.
So these are the fundamental rule, and but to understanding of the dimension, because this is a sphere of our own being. Okay, so say in the cosmic consciousness, all pervading omnipresent consciousness, we dividing ourselves, separating from self, and then mind started, and we fall in the dwell, and the duality is the dimension. Maybe dwell, you know, dwell sim, you know that. So mobile the is coming there. So this our individual sect, limitation, ignorance, it's a, and then it started our layer by layer, circle by circle, and it's a confusing us. So self, here, if you know the self, because the here see the centripetal force and centrifugal force both are attracting each other, pulling each other. Okay, so it's not like that only we are attracting to the God. God also attracting to us. Okay, and that's why we are pulling each other, and it's a clash coming, you know, that clash is then you can say you against the nature, you against the ultimate, it's you against the Brahma, and then if you against the Brahma, so again against, you don't take the some wrong sense. Okay, you against the Brahma versus of the Brahma, then clash started, है ना, circle started, circumference started, and that electrical pathway started. Okay, and that pathway is separating the many of the cocoons, so many of the dimension you will see in the cosmic consciousness. Is clear?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
my idea not to put you the all information only, just to give understanding. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, in when we talk about the dimension, then little bit we have to go through that, because your maybe your astral world we will touch later, because this is the part of the dimension, is because when we talk about the dimension, then you have to understand the earth plane properly. Okay, this earth plane, this physical earth plane. So is the physical earth plane, if you not understand, then you say because it's a very part of that. Okay, so now we come to the physical earth plane, which is called the earth. Okay, uh, so earth, you will be see, uh, uh, because when we talk about the dimension, then you see the electromagnetic waves, है ना, which is covered, uh, forget about the universe. Okay, come to the very limited way. So they like a electromagnetic waves is a hour is which is called the aura, you know, and that one electromagnetic wave is cover the earth plane, and then in the electromagnetic waves the electrons dancing. Okay, how dancing is spirit and nature dancing together. Okay,
Yeah.
and that spirit and nature dancing together, and they are victory to spirit, victory to the nature. This is the poem of the Paramahansa Yogananda. It's not me. Okay, but this spirit and nature dancing together. So you will see in electromagnetic waves. They generally now still the research going on and you are very much capable to understand because this is your part of your profession. Uh, so in the electromagnetic waves, generally that you can divide, you can to understand the two way, dynamic and static.
Yeah.
Okay. So dynamic, we are not talking about the dynamic here. We just focus upon the static one. Okay. Got the point?
Yeah.
Did we discuss about this aesthetic one or not?
No.
When you talk about the aesthetic one, then you will be see anything happen in this world, the in the clashing, the which is the electrical electrons generated, okay, and the one will be travel. You can say the assimilate or merge or is a vanish in the cosmic platform. But the other, the aesthetic will be very remain. Okay, and that is the aesthetic one, which is the remain. That is the biggest game in this earth plane. Okay, biggest role in this earth plane, and it's very maybe the quantum after quantum physics, maybe the scientists maybe reach there, but so far they not know that how the aesthetic energy is a supporting or and disturbing us.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will be seeing. I will give you first the 2 3 example, and then you will be understand more better, because the story or from the history or somewhere is helping us to understand the subject. So you know there is a Lourdes or some word, you know, it's from the France. Okay,
Glory.
there is Lourdes. There is a spring water. Okay, and that spring is a natural spring, and this spring natural spring of the water, that is called the healing water. Okay, and all over the world people come and get the water and get healed. Okay, so you know the saint of Bernardin.
I heard about it.
Okay, so Song of the Bernardin, there is one movie. It's composed by Hollywood. Okay, it's maybe 1938. It's very beautiful movie. I suggest you can go. You can see that movie. It's that the story of the Saint of Bernardin. Okay, and the Saint of Bernardin, when she was the because she was the in maybe teenage or something like that, and she had the she went once a time, and then Mother Mary appeared, and she talked about her, and then asked some certain rules to come every day to that place, and the society not allowing this, maybe big story, but she has continued being a vision of the Mother Mary, and Mother Mary indicating the point, some particular point, here is there is a water, you wash your face from the water, but that time water was not there because the dry land was there, But Mother Mary is saying that because she had the vision there is a water and have to wash the face. Okay. And but later, much later, there is a spring water come and the thousands of people get healed. Okay. So see the aesthetic aesthetic energy, aesthetic electromagnetic waves energy, they have a own science of language. Okay, they introduce themselves, and if you they introduce himself, and you can use for the good purpose, for the betterment of the human what is called human mankind.
Yeah.
Okay, now you see the how the Freudian energy work. There is one example I given to you. The second example, I'm just connecting with the Paramhans Yogananji. So I'm very it's a place to you are got the books it's a, so it's a Romanian language also in there.
Yeah. Hard to get, very hard
Yes,
to
so
get,
you
but very
uh, so you are reading in English or Romanian?
in Romanian.
Oh yes, but okay. So in the Brahmans Yoga, the same book you will be see that a story. Okay, because when you wrote me, you brought it one autobiography of Yogi. Then I thought, okay, we can discuss little more about this. Okay, so see when I don't know which chapter you read, but it will come. Okay, so when he was the traveling in the Kashmir with his guru,
Yeah,
okay,
yesterday I read that.
and in okay, and when he was the traveling in the Kashmir, and he is a continue one vision, one old house keep coming his meditation, okay,
Yeah.
and he inquiring to the Guru Yukteswarji, Swami Yukteswarji, what is this? And the Swami Yukteswarji told, this will be your in coming. This will be your ashram. Okay, it's a he told that, and later, that was the a story maybe like a 19 13 or something like that. Maybe I'm not remember completely. And 1920 he went to the America, and he was the completely in the North America 10 year, and he forget about the ashram on this and that, but he was traveling and teaching all of the North America, not South America, because first he landed, went it to that time is not plane, not landed. He went there in the Boston, and then he get one invitation from the Boston, and then from the Boston he preached the science of yoga. Okay, and so uh, then later he came to the South America is a and that was the California Bay, California. Okay, and so that was the very poor communication. Okay, because that time the no mobile was there, very landline and the facility and the trunk call, the many thing. And the Pramans Yogananji when teach the science of yoga, and people sometimes need they are doing correctly or not. So individually his need his counseling and all these things, and he has no center. The same is coming to the center. Okay, and he's just traveling here and there, and he's no center. And but the some few of the sincere devotee is ask him, Okay, kindly make one center. At least you must be somewhere, because the people should know okay, you are there. Then people come and to meet you. Okay. And then he was the completely saint, and then he told, okay, if the Divine Mother, because his concept of God is the Divine Mother, and he said that okay, if the mother wants, then we can do that. Anyhow, they devotee searching the place. So the many land, many old houses was the is ready to sold, and so he went to see the all these things. Okay, and one day he was walking on the street in the Washington D.C. in what is Washington is a place. The name is Los Angeles. You know, the place name is the. Um, so he walking through that, and he saw that building. Okay, that hotel, and that hotel. If you go the history of the hotel, is what the simple hotel, and that simple hotel is a not simple hotel. It's that elite class hotel. uh, because the from the Los Angeles in the downstairs, and then he said there is a one trolley train, and very expensive to take the say what is called pilgrimage to that hotel, and people have the fun or all these things. Okay, so the mostly of the European and American elite class of the European and American gather there to have the fun. That hotel history. Okay, now that hotel is closed before reach to Paramhansa Yoganand ji. Okay, and it was the completely old building, and the owner of the building, he wanted to sell. Okay, and when Paramhansa Yoganand ji was is searching for the land. Okay, and see that building came to his vision. Okay, in the you know the he never vision not came for the Disneyland and what is called as a White House. White House also was there, but that vision was not there. The vision of the simple one building, and now you see that building is a headquarter of the SRF. Okay, headquarter of the Self-Realization Fellowship, and you will not believe almost the thousands, thousand, maybe 400-500 nuns and 400-500 monks, the morning and evening sit together and meditating there, and spreading the Kriya Yoga all over the world. Okay, so see the beauty of the electromagnetic waves, which is in aesthetic form. That aesthetic form is a help you to boost your energy. Okay, enhance your energy. Okay, are you getting? Yeah. Okay, so now I will give you the more example to understand. You know the even I'm just mentioning here Baramulla Triangle. You know, Baramulla Triangle. There is a force is there. There no magnetical energy is there, but science not know how to use that. Okay, you know the in the Caribbean Ocean, there is a one place in the Baramulla Triangle. You know that?
The triangle.
Huh?
Yeah, I know about the triangle.
No, Baramulla Triangle. They pulling the ship in the Caribbean Ocean. Okay, it's near to the Miami. Okay, so sometimes the plane crash or very powerful energy is there. So if the ship cargo ship will be go and a cruise or somewhere, then you have to not go in the range of the Baramulla tanker.
Okay.
Okay.
Bermuda.
So it's in a
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah. All right. So Bermuda Triangle. Yeah, this one.
Hmm. Hmm? Huh?
Like this.
I didn't see anything.
Oh, it didn't appear. I'll write again. Wait.
Okay, you can check later.
Okay.
Baramulla Triangle you will see,
Okay.
many news, this and that, Okay. So that energy is there. Now you will see in India, many Jyotirling, that is called in the same, I'm just try to connecting the earth plane aesthetic electromagnetic wave. Okay. So I given the example of the France. It's many of them, even the Romania, maybe I not know. So there is a you saw in the France, and it's a I given the one example is the America is a Los Angeles. There is also a Los Angeles, America. There is another place. There is it's a same. It belongs to the SRF. It's a lake shrine, and then lake whenever because the people need mud to construct the building, so he digging and then become lake. It's natural spring comes. It's near to the ocean, and mm, uh, and that property of that land, the he saw there is a one Indian guy. It's always the I say is coming, keep coming to the his uh, it's a dream. One Indian monk is standing upon that land, and he's saying that the church of the all religion, the church of the all religion, church of the religion, like that. And later on, the the honor of that lake donated to the SRF. And very powerful place. That electromagnetic waves is very powerful. If you just enter, and then you will get thrill, and that is whole atoms. It's because start to resurrect, and all cells. And you, if you really get into rise, and I will not tell you that you will be enter in ecstasy, but some kind of the spiritual experiment you can get it. Okay. So I was visited both of the place, so in the line and as well as the um, in a headquarter of the SRF. Uh, so anyway, so these two example I given. And now we come to the India. India, they are the very smart disease. So where there is the electromagnetic wave in the frozen state, now I'm talking about the natural they gather. Okay, naturally. But later I will be add you to how to artificially design. Okay, and how to create that in the. So one is the naturally is a gather there. One is the social act also helping to gather some energy. And one is that individually you can design that artificially, but effect will be the same. Maybe more and less, but effect will be same. Okay. So first we have the naturally. So India, when the Rishi's name is the seer, person who see clearly. So mantra is not written somewhere. Mantra is the just mantra. Drashta is just to someone show as it is. Like a Om Bhur Bhurat, there is a Gayatri mantra, And that Gayatri mantra is not written by the Vishwamitra. It's not. You will not say, see anywhere if it's written by the Vishwamitra. You will be see that mantra seen by Vishwamitra, the mantra drashta. So he saw the Gayatri mantra Om Bhur Bhurasya electromagnetic wave in the cosmic platform, and he just compile it, not compose, just compile it. Okay, and that compiling of the mantra is helping through the causation. The cause and effect is working there. So this is most of the C mantra and also the frozen state of the electromagnetic waves. So where there is a frozen state of the electromagnetic waves, India is the hundreds of the temple. There is a mostly the Shiva temple. Shiva temple, there is a 12 Jyotirling. 12 Jyotirling that is called is a self-infulgent light is there. Okay, and that self-radiating light. And that Jyotirling, that's the name given by the Shankaracharya, that Jyotirling is there. And then you will be see if you visit to any Jyotirling, the 12 Jyotirling, the famous Jyotirling, that Jyotirling is not finishing a stone like a Shiva lingam. No, there is a very rough stone. Rough stone. So if you go to Kedarnath, I'm just I love to mention here in the 2014 they 2014 yes there is a one disaster came in the Himalaya and that in that calamity in near the Kedarnath, the Kedarnath temple, the Shiva temple was there, and the whole buildings, hotel, ashram, all collapsed except the temple. And within no time, the thousands of the people finished. But a temple was remained, and the person who believed that Shiva was the remain in the complete in the disaster. One of my friend, he was monk, he's a Naga sadhu, and he was there. Okay, and he was complete associated, complete convicted to the Shiva, and I was worried about that because I was a different zone of the Himalaya, and I was thinking, oh, if what will be happen because the no one remained there, it's completely collapsed, and I saw that sadhu, even the rescue team. Reached there is a much later, and he came before, and I just inquired him, okay, how did you came here because you are still alive? Well, yes, I came because the grace of the Shiva. So see the that electromagnetic waves, so that is there. So what is the idea is there because that Jyotirlingam, which is the 14 Jyotirlingam, many of the temple, the all unseen temple, they are connecting to that. Okay, and if they are connecting to that, so it's helping the tremendous amount of the energy. okay, is radiating, spreading to helping to uplift the human mankind. Not only Jyotirlinga, because it's a generally I teach them. They are our Hindu rishis are the very smart, more than other race. But still, when we talk about the Jyotirlingam, then we have to mention the other thing also. Now we will see the Makkah. Makkah, in a Makkah, there is a they people talk about that there is one asmak patthar, asmak stone came from the moon, okay, and then people taking busha, but you see that, but there is nothing but the stone was there. It maybe might be came from the moon or might be there, but see the that such the electromagnetic waves how the frozen state, okay, and that frozen state not worshipped by the people, Islamic people, even getting the benefit, a spiritual help from that such little. There is no form, okay, because they not believe in the form, not that is was there. But there is a simple one rough stone is there, and that rough stone is helping all of the Islamic religion, the Islamic fellow. So try to understand. It's a Shivlingam in India. It's many spiritual in the frozen state of the electromagnetic waves, and as well as the abroad, many of them, even the Baramulla triangle, we are not using that energy. But the more and less we have to different such kind of the energy gathered there. How electromagnetic a wave is gathered is in the frozen state, in the aesthetic form. I just give you some little idea. It's not completely clear because sometimes the it's a earth plate moving, and the magma and lava is a clashing. So sometimes the electromagnetic waves is get um, is a get gathered there, but no get path to release, okay, and if not get path to release, then it's a it will be gathered, okay, and that gather is a sometimes it make the heaviness of the earth, but sometimes the same energy, if you start to worshipping and to connect with the divinity and devotion, that energy slowly express, radiate, and help the people, okay. uh, uh, don't take the hypothetically, don't don't check the any modern science what saying that, just try to understand for the to intuitive level, okay, intuitive level, then you will be understand, because so there is a one way also. The another way is a very strange way. Sometimes the intentionally electromagnetic gather there, like a samadhi. It's in India generally the you will be see the when someone die, and uh, then they cremating, and they cremated in the put in the fire generally. But when the monk die, है ना, so monk not generally put the fire, okay. Say like a completely sadhu and monk, they put in the river sometime, or they put in the bed in cremated in the ground, like a graveyard, and make the one temple of the Shiva. So you will be see the mini samadhi you will be find. Okay, and that samadhi, if some monk is die, so it's a bed in there in the put in the mud. Okay, it's a dig ground and put in the it's put in the body and then cover it and then make one little temple. So sometimes the people worship the follower of the monk may worship them, or sometime they forget about that. But the samadhi, the you just remember the name, the samadhi that generally uh, here before to touch to the samadhi, I try to explain you little bit the cremating ground and graveyard. Okay, if you go to the in Varanasi, the 24-hour body burning there, dead body, 24 hours without a stop. He said sometime you will be see the 10 and 20 body is burning there. Maybe sometime 1-2 body, but the 24 hour there is a cremating burning there, body putting in the fire. But people are so relaxed there. But if you go in the graveyard, then you will be find there is a heavy energy. The cremating ground and graveyard, there is a two type of the energy you will be find. The cremating ground, there is a releasing the energy. Okay, but when you put the person in the bed, in the earth, in the graveyard. So if all graveyard, now these day, if it's a modern graveyard, so like a big building. If you go in the America, there is a forest lawn, in Los Angeles, and that forest lawn is a complete huge building, and there is a body of the people. Okay, they are putting in the frozen state of the body of the people. When we talk about the sometime in the prana, then I will tell you about the one prana that is called Dhananjaya, but not now because it's not connecting to our subject. So the differences between the cremating ground and the graveyard, you will be see very clearly. Okay, yeah. So where there is a body burning, there is a no heaviness will be there. But where there is a body putting in the is taking the place for some places, keep it, there is a some heaviness energy will be there. So the most of the people see the ghost in the graveyard. And in a spiritual point of view, in the tantra, there is a they can get the acquiring and the convincing the spirit in graveyard and in the and cremating ground. So we are not going to confuse you here, just to understand to samadhi. Okay, and then samadhi, if the worship by there, but like some living saint, maybe the body left the spirit, but somehow he wanted to kept the body, that this physical body, and because I just again I wanted to tell mention you here, the Saint Bernardine. Saint Bernardine, when she left the body, die, passed away, and they put in the her body in the casket. Okay, and after the 200 year, when it's open that, more than 200 year, it's open that, and she was the sleeping like a like just she slept one night before. It's a so fresh body, no decay. This is a not. I'm talking about the is a Hindu saint. Hindu saint is a many of them. The Paramhans Yogananji, when he was left the body in the America, the 27 or 37 days or so, every medical science come to touch and taste him. The everything is working. No cells decayed. No tincture, blood cells. The all cells was alive, and it's a clinically death. But body not get pollute, not destroying. So body can kept by the saintly person through the his one of the Dhananjay prana. We are not talking about it the Dhananjay. It's a very big science. Now we come to the point. So the maybe the saintly person is working in the other plane, but he kept the body for to the benefit of the society, or maybe he's giving some. And sometimes the samadhi travel by themselves, because if the samadhi not honor, not respect in that particular land, that samadhi of that body, they travel where there they worship properly. Okay, so Baramula triangle, or maybe the Jyotirlingam, maybe in the it's a Makkah, or may you can see the building of the America, or maybe Ludus. All these things may be the frozen state of the electromagnetic waves where we not get the path. And another idea I'm giving you, that samadhi can travel, intentionally travel, and is appear there. Okay, so India is a very myth. Sometimes the prosperity is just if you not respect the prosperity, then Lakshmi, the goddess mother, is just disappear from your house and appear the another house. She manifests the another house. So sometimes the energy where there is worshipped by the society, respectful, honored the society, that energy travel invisible way. Okay, and so there is that kind of the aesthetic energy will be there. Get the point?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's a little thing is clear. Huh?
Yeah, I'm fascinated because I never thought about the difference between a graveyard and um, burning body.
Cremating ground.
Yeah, but
Yes.
I always felt like I want to be cremated.
Yes, me also.
Yeah, but
Because I'm not saintly person to become the. So I told my one of my friend, if I die, then you can put me in the fire, not in the. So anyway.
so simple.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. It's better to release the because the five elements should be in the it's a must be in the release in own way. So now because it's a big chapter, but I'm trying to one more thing I wanted to add you, and then maybe it will not get finished. Then we can start. So you will be see the electromagnetic waves is a I give you the another idea, is a generated by the society. Okay, the group of the people work, okay, work there, and the intention of the common work, common action, common beings, okay, that create the huge amount of the electromagnetic waves. And sometimes that because I try to understand here, the it's a electromagnetic waves. When we talk about the electromagnetic waves, is not negative and not positive. Okay, but the intention of the create the electromagnetic waves, okay, that help is intention is a help how it will be get expressed. Okay, now I will give you one the very strange and controversy subject. I try to touch the controversy things which may be not socially permit, which may be not socially permit, but it's true. Now you will be see the some area is the slaughterhouse, where is the cutting the is animal. The so in Delhi University is a they had the one research where there is a you kill the people, kill the person, then that slaughterhouse they create the one waves, and he's given the name Einstein wave, and that Einstein wave is make heavy on the earth, and due to that heaviness of that wave, because when you are killing the animal in the one place, they create huge pain energy. The intention was the pain suffering, okay, and that is make the heaviness in the earth plane, and there is a many other factor, but the one of the major factor because that create make heavy the pain, that wave is make heavy, and that's why the disaster, calamity, cyclone, earthquake, and even the socially they fighting, okay, for the race, for the country, war, okay, even the no doubt corona also there is a one part of that.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a where there is you are just energy where you are killing the people, killing the animal, create the different different waves, and the huge amount of the energy is disturbing the earth plane.
Yeah.
Get the point? Now I will tell you, I will just mention here about the whorehouse. Okay, so you know whorehouse.
Yeah.
Just try to understand. Okay,
Yeah.
so whorehouse and the prostitute center, their people, you will be see the most of the lunatic, crazy, frustrated people will be enter there. Okay,
Yeah.
and the volunteer of that house, the ladies who serving there,
Yeah.
okay, they are just releasing the frustration of the human mankind, the frustration, the animalness of the manhood, the craziness of the manhood, yet the anger of the manhood, the violence of the manhood. Okay, not creating the pain, releasing the pain, your frustration, our anger, our violence, and that is such amount of energy gathered there. Okay, and when you may be the whole house volunteer may not know, the working lady may not know, but that energy create huge amount of energy, and that is compared to the any holy temple, any holy church, any holy mosque. There is no differences. So I tell you one more thing. When in the Kali worshipping, by the people before worshipping, when the Kali made by the maybe a stone or maybe metals, okay, the Divine Mother temple, and the Divine Mother temple there is a so the metals is there, and so it's need to alive. So they have the rituals, many rituals to perform. Then the Kali deities get alive, okay, and then it says start to worshipping. So the alive so rituals, there is one major rituals was there. Okay, one the major and prime rituals is there. Okay, you have to bring the some clay from the whole house and offer to the Kali, and the Kali will be get alive. And then start to working and give you to blessing. So the Indian tradition it is so because he not respect, he not disrespect this regard any kind of the where the energy generated, created, and the is a purpose of the holy. Uh, I tell you what, very if you have the some vision to understand, and then you will be see the maybe the Las Vegas or maybe the Romania or maybe anywhere in the whole house there. The working lady make and shift, house can collapse, okay, house make and collapse, but the energy will be remain, and that energy sometime the pull you. Now we try to understand, then pull you that energy. See, the Paramahansa Yogananji, when he was seated in the Kashmir, and that energy pulling is just the simple hotel. Okay?
Yeah.
And simple hotel, and maybe the before the hotel, who knows, maybe the cremating ground or maybe the graveyard or maybe whatever, but the energy was the remain, and so the and then it's a pull, and the saintly people construct the ashram temple, saintly person, and that energy. So that's why there is a law in India that is called construction law, where there is some energy the frozen, you not build your own house. That property should be used for the human mankind. So that's why if you buy the land for the house, they check and the check several times, recheck that energy is real for the householder people or for the other purpose. So whole house creates such a generate the huge amount of the energy. Okay, and I tell you one more story. I'm just remembering. It's just not part of that, but just it came to the flashing to me because I'm glorifying the whole house. So see how charisma is there, and that charisma uh, is the of the whole house. So I just give him the one example. Okay, once a time the Swami Vivekananda passing through that. Okay, and the working lady is call, come, and he went there. Okay, but the disciple of him, they are so afraid. So disciple of the is a mm, Swami Vivekananda is so afraid, and the ladies touching him. They were touching, and it's a there is a Spanish in a caramba. It's a they are shouting, "Hombre de Dios, hombre de Dios." Okay, the man of the God, and and the and Swamiji was the full of the tears. He's crying and he say, do you know, you should not regret, you should not ignore that lady. You don't know how much she's serving this society. Okay, because she taking the all anger and violence from the your manhood. Okay, otherwise that anger can kill that your daughter, your sister, your mother, and your wife will be not safe if she will not help that those people those person are the so crazy and the frustration. So see, they are releasing the frustration. So don't differentiate. She is nothing that form of the Divine Mother.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying that go and glorify there. Okay, just one working lady is there. If she is the profession, is doing the very correctly way. I wanted to tell you one more thing here to just to understand. Okay, that's why I tell you very it's a controversy, but it's a one thing to understand. Um, in America, there is Los Angeles, Las Vegas. Very famous. And everything is there. Is a casino, all these things. So that my because when I speak, I fearless speak. No boundary, and not I'm not bothered about the society. So I given the same kind of the lecture there. Okay, and the one girl came to me, and she was full of the tears. She's from the Italy, and so you today you open my eye, and today I wanted to go to my meet my mother after 23 or 24 years. So and I love to if you want to come with me to see my mother, and I'm okay, I can go, come with you. And I went there, and she was living in the that area, and she was the 60 or 65 or like something 65 something running. And then generally in that working lady after 40 they not get much more client or something like that, because the body not attracting all these things. So but she had a lot of client. Okay, and I asked her how you are managing that. Well, listen, I'm in this profession more than 30 years. Okay, and mm, uh, and now I'm the 65, but every day I have to handle two, three, four, sometimes more than, and they are paying a lot, but they don't have the such kind of the vital energy, but the habit is there. So they try to snatch me, you know, yeah, and all these things, and I put my body, offer my body like I offering to the my child. So in my case is the different that 90-year, 95-year, 85, these kind of the habitual person, the crazy person come to me, and they pay a lot. Okay, so I have the lot of so there is no vital force, but still there is a habit, the craziness is there. Okay, and I teach them, all of them, as a child. Okay, and I'm earning a lot, but my expenses is a very little. So the rest of the money I'm donating to the church. Okay, so she living very simple, and I tell you very honestly, when I saw she was the so radiating, so glow, so energetic, and that childish, and so is that and such energy is there. So do you think that they just see that girl, that ladies, is any guilt conscious will be there? No, that when the lady will be die, she will be go in the hell. No, because she working. That is the karma yoga. She working in, because may by mistake, may by his past karma, she fall in that area. I am not supporting to the whole house. Just try to understand. I'm not supporting, but to understand the act of that particular ladies, okay, and she, when she will be die, she will be born in the saintly person. There's no doubt it. Okay, Mother Magdalene, she become the great saint more than the other disciple of the day of Christ. She saw the Christ, resurrection of the Christ, she saw, not other. After the crucifixion of the... So, just try to understand the how great role of the femininity, Mother Nature. Okay? And so, there is one electromagnetic waves gather there. Okay? It's generated, created by the cremating ground and as well as the hothouse. It's a helping us, and we also not put overlook to the graveyard, but the graveyard, the heavy energy, and that heavy energy is a not directly help. Maybe the millions years may something will be happen, but it's not directly helpful. Okay, now because 1 o'clock I have to go somewhere. So no, but I wanted to tell you one more thing. It's this dynamic of the aesthetic energy will continue next with you just mentioned that the artificially. Okay, so artificially you can remember me the Peru. I will be touch to the Peru, and there is one America called which place? So in America, and then how to artificially they create, and how the and Peru, Egypt, and the America, there is one place, I've forgotten the place. So that I will be mention all these things. So artificially how create, and so then Indian symbols comes and the other symbols. So this artificial, the socially create. So, and any question, any contradictory, any controversy, any suggestion, okay, you are highly welcome. Okay. So any suggestion, okay, and whatever we discuss, just I have to be sure you are grasping all these things without prejudice and without any repulsion and review. It's a what is a it's just see, and then your own intuition unfolded your vision, and it get clear something. Okay, and God bless you, love you, and happy New Year.